Welcome to Episet and Net English, a guide for your preparation. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the origin of English language. The origin of English language. In ancient times, there were no boundaries among any nations. There were only tribal people who lived in groups without any permanent places. There were warriors, fighters, slaves, and so on. People fought with each other, and whoever will win rule the place, and others move on to the next places. So the same is the story of English language. Tribal groups were migrated from one place to another. So they left something of their lifestyle, culture, and dialect to that place. Each group had their own dialects. The people who are in power will impose their language. So the power determines the knowledge. In ancient times, the island of England was governed by two tribes, Celts and Gaels. The original inhabitants of Britain were Celts from the Iron Age. The Iron Age is roughly from 800 BC to 100 AD. The Celts spoke Celtic languages called Briton Brythonic. The language used by Gaels were Gaelic. These were only spoken languages because writings comes later. The Celts were originally pagans. Christianity reached Britain by the 3rd century of the Christian era. The Celts and Gaels tribes were not powerful, they were weak and were not in a position to defend their island of England. England was also known as Britain. Celts were known as Britons. Therefore, the land was called Britain. Romans' invasion of Britain. England was attacked by the Romans. Julius Caesar attacked England in 55 BC at first, then again 54 BC. He attacked England and made England a part of the Roman Empire and started ruling only at 43 AD by Roman Emperor Claudius. Britain became Britannia, a province of the Roman Empire. Roman Empire became very powerful. The Romans continued to rule the province of Britain up to 5th century. The language of Romans was Latin. The earlier languages were Celtic and Gaelic, which were spoken and not yet written because the writings came very late. The Romans imposed their own language, that Latin, and it became the official language of Britain. Even the English alphabets came from the Latin language, so that we call it as a Roman alphabets. Latin was also the language of Christianity. So it became the most influenced language of all the Europe. Hadrian's Wall. It's also important to know about Hadrian's Wall. Hadrian is the emperor of Rome, constructed a defensive wall known as Hadrian's Wall or Roman Wall or Pitt's Wall in 122 AD. Hadrian is the emperor of Rome. Picts, a tribe from northern Scotland, they were continuously attacking Britain, so that Hadrian constructed a wall to keep the Picts away from the Britain. It helped to protect Britain from Picts from for 300 years. Decline of the Roman Empire in Britain. In 410, the Romans left Britain. The Roman Emperor Honorius sent a goodbye letter to the people of Britain. The Romans left, but the culture and their language influenced the province of Britain. Actually, at the time, the city of Rome was under attack and the empire was falling apart, so the Romans had to leave to take care of their own matters of their country. After Romans left Britain, it was called Dark Ages because there were no brave soldiers to protect the people of Britain. Anglo-Saxon invasion of Britain. In 450 AD, Britain was again invaded by the Germanic tribes. The Germanic tribes were Angles, Saxons, Jews. Angles and Saxons were so powerful among them. Some sources say that they were invited to come to help Britons as Picts were again attacking, and another reason may be that these Germanic tribes came because their lands was often flooded and it was difficult to grow crops, so they were looking for new places to settle down and farm. However, the Germanic tribes, Angles, Saxons, and Jews came, they brought their own languages, the dialects of German language, and these dialects became the official language of Britain. The birth of English language. English language is a mixture of the dialects spoken by Angles, Saxons, Jews, and Latin language. Angles, who named Britain as England, and English were the dialects of Angles. The dialects of Angles, Saxons, and Jews, with the motherly language of Latin, combined together and formed the English language, and so it is called as the Old English. That is how English language originated. In the next video, we are going to discuss the period of Old English or the Anglo-Saxon period.